So welcome to this lunchtime symposium. I think that we have very tough competition because there's a free lunch currently, of course, being served. So that's always a tough competition. So thanks to all of you that have come. All of you, I can also assure you that at the end of the symposium, lunch will still be served. So you're not going to miss out. So at 1:15, when this finishes, you can still have lunch, and it's still a free lunch as well. So thank you very much for you to come, and thanks also to Lilly for having decided to organize this symposium at our Alzheimer Europe Conference. My name is Jean-Georges, I'm the Executive Director of the organization, and I'm very proud, first of all, that Lilly has chosen this event, but I'm also very proud that as an organization we are very actively involved in all the kind of three projects that you're going to hear more about. But what we want to focus on in this symposium is really to give you an understanding of the changing definition of Alzheimer's disease, Alzheimer's dementia, focus on the role that individuals and caregivers can play in bringing forward the research agenda, both at a national level, but also at a European level. And what we really feel in all these European research projects, that it's absolutely key that we make sure that it's not scientists talking to scientists, but that scientists also reach out to the broader dementia community and to the general public. Another reason why I'm proud to be here to chair this session is that as a European, it is fantastic to see that Europe is really leading the way in really having recognized dementia as a research priority. The Innovative Medicines Initiative, and you will hear from Pierre Meulien, who is the Executive Director of the Innovative Medicines Initiative. He will be at the last round table discussion later on today. But it is a real kind of model of a private-public partnership which brings together academia, it brings together the pharmaceutical industry and other industries as well. It brings together civil society through organizations like Alzheimer Europe and other patient organizations, and we're really leading the way in promoting dementia research. So I'm very proud as a European that this is happening, and I think the Executive Director of the IMI is just joining us also for this session. So I'm going to repeat what I just mentioned, which is that as a European, I'm very proud of the role that the European Union plays in supporting dementia research, and IMI is really an absolute fantastic mechanism in which to support such research. But we're here above all to hear about three of the key research projects that are being funded by the IMI. So I'm going to give you the abbreviations very quickly. So it's MOPEAD, EPAD and ROADMAP, and the really true examples of how we can do research across the AD continuum with a true spirit of collaboration. The kind of questions that we want to discuss with you is really, can we see how citizens can improve the way in which we identify Alzheimer's disease at an earlier stage than what we're currently doing? Also, are there ways in which you can improve the way that we run in clinical trials across European countries? And also, can we involve maybe patients and caregivers, but also regulators and health technology assessment agencies in the definition of the right outcomes that we would like to get out of these clinical trials? What I want to stress is that this is not just us talking to you, or not necessarily us in me, but the three keynote speakers that we have chosen for this session. We really want you to ask questions and to take part in the discussions that we're going to have. So this is my introduction to this what I hope will be an interesting symposium. And for me, it's now a very great pleasure to welcome our first speaker, Mercé Boada. You have a very nice leaflets and booklet with all the very detailed CVs of each one of the speakers. So Mercé is almost somebody that doesn't need any introduction in the dementia world, but she's the director and founder of Fundació ACE in Spain. And the main reason why she's here today is that she's the principal investigator of the MOPEAD project, and she will give us an overview of this very exciting project. Mercé, the floor is yours.